Alright guys, after you've already ran the codes on the Powerstroke on this hot no start, obviously it's cold, so theoretically should start. Like I said, seem like batteries are a little bit weak. So let's go back in here where the scanner's at, guys. You want to access the data, guys, so when you do try to start it. I already have it all set up, guys. Battery positive, power, camshaft positioning sensor status, cam and crank synchronization. Then you have engine oil temperature. That's very important for the hot no start. I also have the FICM injector power, what it's putting out to the actual injectors. Injector control pressure regulator, injector control pressure desired, injector control pressure. All these things are the things you're going to need to check this first initial start, guys. So this is the first initial start